Welcome to Silkytreat Channel, easy delicious cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 20 minutes start to finish. Burger mozzarella, mushrooms, fresh cream, fries. Ingredients: 150 grams of quality ground beef, Siracha chili sauce, 30 grams of mozzarella, fresh Paris mushrooms, potatoes cut in French fries, 30% fat fresh whipping cream, butter, salt, pepper. Preparation: mix the ground beef with salt and pepper. Prepare 30 grams of mozzarella cheese mixed with Siracha chili sauce. Shape in a ball and insert in the ground beef. Shape it like a burger. In a pan, add butter and slowly cook the burger to your liking. In a pan, insert whole cleaned mushrooms, butter, salt, pepper, for 3 minutes. Once cooked, add a large splash of whipping cream. Cook for 1 minute. In a pot, bring neutral oil to 170 degrees Celsius. Insert the fries. Cook for 6 minutes. Remove, wait 4 minutes, get the oil to 190 degrees Celsius and cook again for 2 minutes. This is used for double cooking the fries. All ready to serve and eat. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.